On June 18th, less than 3 weeks from the date we posted this video, GoDaddy will be retiring its online bookkeeping software forever. This news is a shock and a blow to eBay sellers and other e-commerce business owners who depend on the service to operate. Naturally, they'll have questions about the bookkeeping platform they'll use next. Which one will I choose? What kind of service can I expect? How much will it cost? Should I just do it myself? GoDaddy is giving sellers until the end of September to download their data for use on other bookkeeping platforms, though data compatibility among some of them is unclear. This announcement has put eBay sellers in an unenviable position, feeling the crunch as they scramble to pick up the pieces. But you don't have to feel the crunch. Stop scrambling today and start using ClientBooks from 1-800-ACCOUNTANT, America's largest virtual accounting firm for small businesses. ClientBooks is bookkeeping software backed by professional bookkeepers. ClientBooks will sync directly with your bank accounts and your credit card accounts so you can keep all your information in one place. Unlocking additional features like tax prep and unlimited tax advisory and payroll, it's just a phone call away. ClientBooks is a hassle-free, all-in-one back office tool that makes doing business simpler. It helps you keep your business organized. It helps you avoid fees and penalties. It helps you hit deadlines and maximize your tax savings. And it has advanced features that take advantage of the technology you already own so you can stay focused on selling. Customer service and support for ClientBooks is exceptional and is backed by our small business experts to guide you and answer your questions. And if you feel like offloading bookkeeping tasks entirely, we offer professional bookkeeping services too. We're accurate and error-free, guaranteed. Getting set up is quick and easy and can be completed well in advance of the June 18th shutdown. I'm putting a link in the description below for our YouTube audience. If you use this link to schedule an appointment and you mention this video, we'll hook you up with a free demo of ClientBooks so you can check out the platform before you spend a dime, even if you haven't been using GoDaddy. Once you feel the power of our services and the unmatched support, you'll understand why so many businesses prefer 1-800-ACCOUNTANT. After all, we're here to support you, removing the hassle of back office tasks so you can continue growing and scaling your business. We look forward to working with you.